All right, honors geometry. As we've been doing, we're going to look at surface area volumes. Again, honors only. So they have a nice like kind of visual for you. So if you think of a baseball as a sphere, a baseball is made by two of these shapes, and they're stitched together, right? So if you unfold a baseball, you see that it's approximated by four circles. One, two, three, four. Now there is some space in between, but if we think of surface area as this fabric's area, the leather, 1, 2, 3, 4, that'd be 4 pi r squared. And now notice what your surface area formula for a sphere is: 4 pi r squared. Easy peasy. Done. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at some problems involving surface area of spheres. All right, question one. It says the Earth's equator is about 24,902 miles long. What is the approximate surface area of Earth round to the nearest square mile? So, oh my goodness, how are we going to do this? Well, let's draw a picture real fast. So, this is the Earth. Okay, now where is the equator? The equator is this circle that runs right through the middle of Earth. So, this circle could be thought of as a cross section. So if we bring it into 2D, it would look something like this. And the radius, let me get my green, the radius of the Earth would be the same as the radius of this circle, of the equator, thought of as a 2D. So if we know the circumference of this circle, we can find the radius of this circle using 2 pi r, which will then also be the radius of the Earth. So we're using a 2D idea to find the radius of a 3D figure. Okay, again, the equator is special because it's a circle whose center is also the center of the sphere. Okay, so again, just keep that in mind. So this is the circumference. So 24,092 is 2 pi r. To solve for r, divide by 2 pi, divide by 2 pi. Again, if you're using a dinky calculator, make sure that that 2 pi is in parentheses. I will use this calculator. So it was 24,902, 24,902 divided by 2 pi. Okay, and there's going to be your radius. So your radius is 3963. If you remember our last set of notes, that was the same radius we used in that moon Earth problem. So that's pretty cool. Da 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 da. So don't round. Okay, that's your radius. So now to find the surface area, we need to take our equation 4 pi r squared. That's 4 pi times 3963 yada yada squared. So what I will do is I will do the following. I will type in 4 pi times, I will copy and paste this radius down below, and I will square it. And there we go. There's our big long number. 197,387,017. And there we go. And that is in, I think I just said square miles. So the 4 does not round the 7 up. So that would be the answer, 197,387,017. So 197,387,017. And that'd be squared miles. And there you go. 197,387,017. 197,387,017. Now I will, and then miles squared. And again, don't forget that. Okay. All right, cool. So be aware of that equator problem. All right, the next one here. Let me erase this. Okay, it says the volume of a sphere is 5,000 meters cubed. What is the surface area to the nearest square meter? All right, so we can use the volume formula, given the volume, to find the radius, right? So the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So we know that the volume is 5,000, 4/3 pi r cubed. Again, put that pi up there. So this is 4 pi over 3. We need to solve this for the radius, multiply by the reciprocal, 3 over 4 pi, 3 over 4 pi. So in my graphing calculator, I'll do 3 over 4 pi times 5,000. Get rid of some of this. Get rid of some of this. So 3 divided by 4 pi times 5,000. And there I got 1193.66. That 1193.66, that's equal to the radius cubed. So now you must take the cube root of that to get what the radius would be. And let's do that in Desmos Graphing Calculator. So in the next step, remember functions, miscellaneous nth roots, right there. The nth is 3, and we're going to copy and paste that number right there. Copy, paste. Okay, and that is the radius of your circle. That's the radius. So now we need to find the surface area. I'm just going to do it right here. So the surface area is 4 pi r squared. So we're going to type in to our calculator 4 pi times, I'm going to copy and paste this number here and square it. And there we go. And I believe it says round to the nearest square meter. So that'd be 1414. The 0 does not round up. 1414 meters squared. 1414 meters squared. And be careful if you're looking for surface area, it's in square units. If you're looking for volume, it's in cubic units. All right, so good luck on the surface area stuff. Some really fun problems here.